All right, I'm a guy who has like his favorite pair of jeans, and I've got this pair of work jeans that I really, really love. But the problem is I have busted a seam out of them. It's not because I've put on too much weight or anything. It's just wear and tear. They're getting old and things like that. But I love these jeans. They fit me great. They look good on me. And so that's where this comes in. And this is a little bit of fabric glue that we picked up that we have absolutely loved. This fabric glue is designed to help you repair so many different kinds of fabric, whether it's denim, whether it's leather, whether it's a non-woven cloth or a woven cloth. This stuff comes in clutch. It's really easy to work with. It obviously it's like a clear glue. The tip itself does keep it from clogging, which we absolutely love. I don't know if you've ever had a glue thing before that you've used, and then you've used it once, sealed it up, and we're never able to use it again. The design of this tip allows it to clear out the little bit of space in the applicator tip, leaving it reusable time and time again. It also comes with a couple items, including some spreading paddles, so that you can quickly and easily spread this glue without getting it all over your hands, and even a clip so that as it's drying, it's applying appropriate pressure to the fabrics, to the seams, to the things that you might need. Overall, this has been great. This glue, once it cures, is washable. It's great for applying patches, whether it's just a patch on a bag or literally applying a denim patch over a hole because you busted out, again, your favorite jeans, whatever the case might be. Check this out. This fabric glue is wonderful. Keep it on hands, keep it in your laundry room. It is my go-to, and I think you're gonna love it too.